All right, mi gente, guys, we're here in my hometown, baby. We're in Baldwin, New York, and Long Island. Papa, let me tell you, listen, every job is unique, and this particular job is unique because, guess what? The little detail shit that you got to do to get the evaporator coil on or the indoor unit in, because we didn't install it. We're replacing, actually. That's exactly what we're doing in this particular job. So originally, they had somebody install this many moons ago, years ago, but they didn't do the right thing. So because of their screw-ups, we got to fix them now. We can make sure the unit is working correctly. So guys, it's very important for you guys to not only say like, well, no, you're going to fix it, but what I mean is like, oh, I didn't do that, leave it alone. No, you see something's wrong, correct it. And that's exactly what we're doing here today. Another thing is, guys, another thing about this particular job, it's for a server room. It's not for air conditioning for anybody to stay cool or anything. It's for the server because they have a database. It is an accounting office. So guess what? They have a lot of important and vital information in their servers. And guys, you do not want to see your system crash, especially your server. Your server is your heart of your system. In this case, it's the heart of their business. That's where all vital information is to get stored at. And guys, it's no different than Verizon, no different than AT&T or a data center. It's super, it's an essential. And guys, I'm sure you guys already know that we live in a day and age that everything's about, breaching, meaning like stealing data, stealing people identities, identity theft. That's very big right now, and we want to do everything as much as possible on the HVAC end to make sure it's working efficiently, it's cooling, and it doesn't crash. Because guys, if it does crash, we're gonna have a super duper huge problem, and that's something we don't want to have. Listen, you see it on the news, you hear it on the radio that they breached the Verizon, how many accounts that they stole or the information, and guess what? They're getting a lawsuit up the ass, they're having issues. We don't want that. Just get to the point, right? So right now, guys, I want you to take this journey and show you the process of installing another system. So this particular system, it's a Fujitsu. They specifically wanted Fujitsu. That's what they had before. And it's about brand recognition because some people like to stick to what they know. So she had Fujitsu. I offer them other manufacturers such as Mitsubishi, Daikin, but they wanted to stick with Fujitsu. Hey, gotta make the customer happy, and I'm okay with Fujitsu. I've installed many Fujitsu units, so they work perfectly fine. But guys, take a look at the process. Take a look what's entailed, what's the detail work. Every little detail matters, guys. So the point is, guys, the word of the day, and if you're gonna get anything out of this video, detail matters. All right, guys, listen, enough of my talking, enough hearing from me. Stop. Let's get right to the point. Let's get down and dirty, baby. Let's go, baby. Wepa!
Esa casa está caliente, todo sudando toda la gente. Solo llama a Louie, ya llegó el aire. Esa casa está caliente, todo sudando toda la gente. Solo llama a Louie, ya llegó el aire. Louie, 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 Louie. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Louie, 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 Louie. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero. New York boiler en general. Va a poner tu casa a enfriar. Cuando hace calor afuera, el aire no vas a parar. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero.